Here we go, guys. We got a 12 valve Cummins sitting on the pallet. This is a standalone wiring harness to get these things to run. So you need one positive wire to the fuel solenoid here. You need a positive wire to the relay on the starter. You need your thick positive cable to your starter, and you need your negative cable to the block. So that's 1, 2, 3 positive wires and a negative wire. I have a kill switch in between on the fuel solenoid, and I have this as a starter switch. That's all you need to run these 12 valve Cummins. You can delete the computers. I see a lot of videos online, but I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. So positive to the fuel solenoid, positive to the starter, and your starter button. So there you are, the 3 positives, 1 negative, and you got a running 12 valve. Oh yeah, don't forget your diesel.